Good morning, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the C2P10 drumstick curry. Let me start the stopwatch and start the layering. Full masala. Okay. We'll use about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. Every spicy event, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it all up. All neat, all put the and some yogurt. Now you can marinate it. Quarter cup of yogurt. Podma. Now the chicken has been slit. The chicken has been slit so that masalas permeate deeply inside. Okay. Now I'll start with the gravy. For the gravy we'll use some onions. இது எப்படி பண்றோமோ அதே மாதிரி வீட்ல போய் பண்ணேன்னா The loading should take around 5 minutes. The cooking should take another 5-6 minutes. Onion. Salt is gravy. Okay. Okay. So if you see the black fungus, you can just wipe it off. You don't need to cut it out. Take a tissue and just wipe it off. So onion, I'm going to chop them very coarsely. That's it. Because we'll blend all this into a nice smooth gravy later. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the onions on one side so that they caramelize a bit. And some tomatoes for the gravy. You can also add some mango. This being the mango season, raw mango for the sarnas. You can peel it or add it raw. Add it unpeeled. Some green chilies for the bite. Add a chicken. And layer the chicken over the base. Half kilo. This is half a kilo of chicken. Masala abdi vaichu mela potu. The layering is done. We'll cook this for around 7 to 8 minutes. You can marinate the chicken and leave it overnight for a deeper flavor. So for the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'll be doing nothing. So if you have any doubts, just type them out in the comments so I can answer them. என்ன பண்ணோம் பத்தியா என்ன போட்டோம் கீழே சொல்லு
ஆனியன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 டேபிள் ஸ்பூன் ஆயில் போட்டீங்க, அப்புறம் ஆனியன் போட்டீங்க, அப்புறம் டொமேட்டோ, அப்புறம் ரெட் சில்லி, அப்புறம்
இப்போ கீழே இருக்கிறது எல்லாம் வந்து கிரேவி ஆயிடும். சிக்கன் கீழே போட்டால் கறியிடும், அதனால சிக்கன் மேலே வச்சிருக்கோம். எல்லாத்தையும் கிரேவி பண்ணி சிக்கனை போட்டு பிளெண்ட் பண்ணி
அப்படியே மசாலா
அப்படி கிரேவியாக பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, so you can follow the same logic for mutton, for fish, for anything you like. Just the cooking time would vary. So this should roughly give you around maybe 750 grams of gravy. Enough for 4 பேர் சாப்பிடலாமா? Enough for at least 4 people. Please ensure that the chicken is slit. You need to have deep slits so that the masala permeates and steam is able to get into the slits and cook it. முடிஞ்சோடனே சிக்கன் தனியாக எடுத்துட்டு
அதை கிரைண்ட் பண்ணி
கிரேவியை பிளெண்ட் பண்ணி போட்டு கலந்தோம்னா அதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சுது. 10-12 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ளே கம 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 கமன்னு கிரேவி ரெடி ஆயிடும். What was the marination masala just does not matter. You can add garam masala, you can add chicken masala, you can add pav bhaji masala, you can add any masala you like. The masalas you add does not matter. In fact, you don't even need to have a specific masala mix. You can just add the basic chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. That's good enough. In OPOS, the masala mixes do not matter. It's completely as per your choice. The key is to ensure that nothing gets overcooked or undercooked. You can even cook this without any masala. So the taste does not come from the masala. It comes from rightly cooked food. None of your non-vegetarian dishes should take you more than 10 to 15 minutes maximum from scratch. That's one. I let it go for around 6 to 7 whistles. Two. That's 4. 5, maybe 2 more. 6 and 1 more. How many? Let it go for 1 more whistle. Switch off. Ideally, I let settle down for the chicken to cook and retain heat. I'm not going to make you wait. I'm going to release the pressure. And you need to check the internal temperature of meat just to be safe. Okay. So let me check it at the thickest point. It's over 80 degrees, so it's completely cooked. It's safe to consume. This is possible only because you have deeply slit it. If you have not slit it, see, that's over 90 degrees actually. So it's pretty well done. Let me try this also. Just ensure that the internal temperature is over at least 70 degrees. Yeah, this seems to be done. Now let me remove it. Let me remove the drumsticks and then blend the gravy. Temperature which risk food poison. Now we just need to blend the gravy. And always use vertical strokes. Have these nice emulsified, smooth, creamy gravy. All you have to do is pour it over the chicken. Let everything rest for a while so that the flavors can come together. That is almost half a kilo of chicken drumstick gravy done from scratch in less than 15 minutes. Let me just weigh this and see how much we have here. Weight of one patrlama. So we have over nearly 850 grams, almost a kilo of gravy. Enough to comfortably feed around 4 to 5 people. Do try this out. Ultra simple. You can extend the same template with any meat. With mutton, maybe the cooking time should go up by 3-4 minutes. With fish, the cooking time would be even less. With almost any curry, any ingredient you can think of. If you are doing vegetables, if you are doing paneer, it's even faster. So the basic logic remains the same, only the ingredient vary. The masala is completely up to you. Please try this and post your feedbacks. Thank you very much.